everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. As you know, I am heartbroken that I can no longer get Lancaster Farm Fresh. I just posted that video. I'm really upset about that. But I decided to get Farmbox Direct this week because I do Mistfits every other week. It is the medium box. It is only organic. It goes for around $70 with handling. Now, I do want to point out, they say there's no shipping. And that's true, but they charge a handling charge, and I did get a chance to sub some things, but they only let you sub, I think it's, I want to say 5, but it could be 3 or 4 things that you're allowed to sub. They give you a box, and then you're allowed to take things out and put other things in. They only allow so many of those swaps. You can't select from a list. Each item only has, it's confusing. It's not as straightforward as the way Mistfits is now. But when I first started with Mistfits, you couldn't pick anything in your box. True story. Remember that? Who remembers that? Leave me a comment down below if you remember when Mistfits was like that. Enough of my babbling. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Oh, and you know what I totally forgot to tell you? This is not sponsored. I paid for this box, just saying. They're reminding me about the loyalty program, so if you want to give Farmbox Direct a try, there's a link in the description down below. I don't get paid for that, I just get a credit on my next order, and you'll get a credit off your first order, so it's a win-win for everyone. A guide to pears. This seems like something they would send you in the mail if you haven't tried them already. I've been getting them now for almost 2 years. I think this might be one of the first ones I tried. Was it? I don't remember. One of the things I really do like about Farmbox Direct is that everything is wrapped. Almost every item is wrapped. The carrots are not wrapped. These, I don't know if you can tell, they don't look as fresh as what we used to get from Lancaster. They look like they've been sitting around for a little while, and I feel like for the price, that should not be. But they are on par with Mistfits carrots. So here's something that nobody else uses. Desi packs. It's not an ice pack, it's humidity control. And they stick them in some of the things. And in this case, they stuck them in with my green beans. Now these green beans are not, this is not a pound. This is like 8 ounces maybe, so half a pound. Let's take a look at them. I don't know, guys. They're not in the best shape. I've seen better. I've seen worse, but I've definitely seen better. And we did get 2 packs of green beans. Both have desi packs. Ew. This one's a little shriveled up. Let's see. This one doesn't look so bad. It doesn't want to focus on it. Got an avocado. It's still firm. Romaine. And they wrapped it. That's nice. Actually, if I put it back in the wrapper, it will stay fresher longer in the fridge. So we've got some romaine. This is actually a really good quality looking romaine. I'm happy with this. A sweet potato. So far. I think I only got 1 sweet potato. Because of the way they do things. But we'll see. Tomato. I've been dying for tomatoes. Another plum tomato. These look good and they're very firm. Some Brussels sprouts. This is more Brussels sprouts than we got last time. It's a lot more. Like last time I got them, I could fit the bag in my hand, and this time I don't think I could take these out and actually hold it in my hand. It's significantly bigger than my hand. So maybe they got the memo? Maybe, you think? And another bag of Brussels sprouts. Are these oranges or grapefruit? Navel oranges. They look good. These are grapefruit. I love grapefruit. You guys know that because I get that grapefruit soda from Mistfits. I love my grapefruit. And then we've got the ice pack, and it's completely defrosted. This was shipped yesterday, and it is freezing outside. Absolutely horrible winter freezing outside. I'm not sure how the ice pack got defrosted. Let me get my phone so I can show you what this looks like. This is what we've got. The carrots are under there. These are the green beans, the romaine, the Brussels sprouts, the grapefruit, the one sweet potato, which is a little lame, and the tomatoes and the oranges. Looks like we got everything that they list on the label that they put inside the box. Let me just double check what this cost. So with shipping, or not shipping, they call it handling, but because they technically don't charge shipping. Leave me a comment about what you feel, how you feel about that, because I feel like that's super misleading. But with processing, my total is $68.93. Do you think this is worth $68.93? Do you think it's less than that? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you have tried Farmbox Direct, leave me a comment about that too. What has your experience been? Are you happy? Are you not happy? Let me know. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with somebody else that might be interested in ordering organic groceries. And just post it on your social media too. And if you do want to give Farmbox Direct a try, again, it's not sponsored, but I do have a link in the description down below where you can save off your first order. So use that link, help out the channel, and give yourself a little discount too. I post videos every week that can help you with your figure skating, your fitness, your nutrition, and ultimately live a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimee. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.